Your car is basically a snack museum on wheels. Crumbs in the seats, dust in the vents, and mystery debris you swear wasn't there yesterday. The right vacuum makes cleanup quick, satisfying, and way less embarrassing when someone asks for a ride. In this video to the best car vacuums, you'll find powerful picks that reach tight corners and handle pet hair like a champ. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Bissell AeroSlim, our pick for best budget car vacuum. If your car is one more coffee spill away from becoming a permanent before photo, the Bissell AeroSlim is the tiny budget vacuum that keeps you looking like you have your life together. It's cordless, compact, and only 1.37 pounds. So you can actually grab it with one hand instead of doing a full workout just to fight crumbs. You get a lithium-ion battery that runs up to 12 minutes, which doesn't sound like much until you realize that's plenty of time to handle the real villains: seat crack snacks, dusty cup holders, and that mysterious grit that appears even when you never eat in the car. The crevice tool goes straight into the tight gaps, and the brush attachment helps lift fuzz and dust from fabric, vents, and small surfaces. Yes, even your computer area when your desk starts collecting evidence. It's designed for on-the-go life, so you can store it in the car, charge it with the included USB cable, and do quick cleanups wherever you are. Parking lot, driveway, office break room, no judgment. The washable filter keeps upkeep simple, and the small 0.1-liter dirt cup is basically a reminder to empty it often, because you're cleaning your car, not trying to start a dirt collection. And there's a nice bonus. Bissell supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, so your purchase helps the mission to save homeless pets. You get a cleaner ride, and you get to feel like a decent human while doing it. Number 4. Fanttik Slim V10 APEX, our pick for best car vacuum for tight areas. If your car's tight gaps are basically a crumb witness protection program, the Fanttik Slim V10 APEX is the skinny little cleanup ninja you actually want. It's cordless, weighs just 1.1 pounds, and slips into cup holders, seat rails, console cracks, and all the places your bigger vacuum refuses to fit. Let's be honest, this isn't a clean the whole house beast, and Fanttik admits it. It's made for small, satisfying wins. Quick car detailing, keyboard dusting, sofa corners, and desk messes. In high mode, you get up to 15 minutes for fast hit-and-run cleanups, or switch to low mode for longer sessions when you're doing a more careful sweep. The HD Smart Digital display is surprisingly useful. It shows battery status clearly, and you'll know instantly whether you're in high or low mode. No guessing, no "why did it suddenly die" drama. Where it gets fun is the 4-in-1 design: vacuum, blow, inflate, and deflate, so you can suck up dust, blast debris out of vents, inflate swim rings, or deflate and vacuum seal storage bags like you're running a tiny organization spa day. A 120-watt brushless motor pushes up to 19,000 Pascal suction in high mode, and you get 10 accessories: crevice tools, brushes, even a pet brush. So tight areas and stubborn fuzz don't stand a chance. When you're done, one-button dust disposal keeps cleanup quick and clean. Still searching for the perfect car vacuum? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Dust Buster, our pick for best car vacuum for pet hair. If your car seats have basically become your pet's second bed, the BLACK+DECKER Dust Buster is the no-nonsense fix for the fur takeover. It's cordless, lightweight, and powered by a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery that brings real suction. So you're not just petting the hair into a new shape. When you hit the "this is getting ridiculous" level of mess, Power Boost mode gives you an instant surge with one button press. Perfect for those stubborn clumps of dog hair that cling to upholstery like they pay rent. The built-in XL extendable crevice tool is a lifesaver for the places your hands can't reach. Between seats, along console edges, under cup holders, all the tiny gaps where crumbs and fur team up. And the anti-tangle motorized pet brush with rubber bristles is the real hero. It lifts hair out of carpet and fabric instead of just skating over the top. Cleanup is refreshingly drama-free too. With one-touch easy empty, you dump the dirt and hair without having to touch the U part. Because you're cleaning your car, not adopting the debris. It's rechargeable, portable, and happy to work double duty. Quick cleanups at home, fast touch-ups in the car, and emergency, someone's coming over situations. You stay ahead of the pet hair. Your car stops looking like a moving kennel, and your passengers can sit down without leaving with a souvenir. Number 2. DEWALT 20 Volt Handheld Vacuum, our pick for best heavy-duty car vacuum. If your car isn't just a little dusty, but more like a rolling construction site, the DEWALT 20-volt handheld vacuum is the heavy-duty muscle you bring in when the cute mini vacs tap out. With 46 cubic feet per minute of airflow, it's built to gulp up the nasty stuff. Fine drywall dust, gritty debris, and even the "how did that get in here?" screws and tiny hardware that love living in floor mats. Because it's cordless on a 20-volt battery, you're not hunting for outlets or wrestling a cord around door frames. You just grab it and go. Driveway, job site, garage, trunk, wherever the mess is hiding. Cleaning under seats or in the dark corners of the trunk? The built-in LED light helps you see what you're doing. So you're vacuuming dirt, not just vibes. Plus, it can convert into a stick vac style setup, giving you extra reach and flexibility when you want to cover more area without crawling around like you dropped a contact lens. Quick heads up, the spec sheet you've got mixes up the weight. Either way, the point is this: it's made for serious messes and demanding jobs, not delicate one-crumb cleanups. If you want a car vacuum that doesn't flinch, this is it. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus, our pick for best car vacuum overall. If your car has started feeling less like a vehicle and more like a mobile snack graveyard, the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus is about to become your new co-pilot. It's cordless, lightweight, and built for the kind of messes that appear out of nowhere. Crumbs in the seat cracks, mystery dust on the dash, and pet hair that somehow multiplies overnight. This little beast brings 4-in-1 versatility, so you can clean with the handheld unit alone or snap on the included tools when things get real. The crevice tool goes spelunking between seats, the scrubbing brush handles stubborn grime, and the detachable self-cleaning pet power brush is basically a note button for fur stuck in fabric. The real flex is the 2 cyclonic air streams, ultra-powerful suction that keeps pulling strong while helping the filter and motor last longer. Because it's grab-and-go cordless, you can hit quick messes the second they happen, before they turn into a full weekend cleaning project. And when you're done, the Clean Touch Dirt Ejector lets you dump debris without doing that awkward shake the dustbin and hope for the best routine. Whether you're dealing with kids, pets, or your own just one more chip habits, this vacuum makes cleanups fast, painless, and weirdly satisfying. Your car will finally stop exposing you every time someone asks for a ride. Whew, we made it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best car vacuums. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which car vacuum you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.